Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today on my channel we are going to be unboxing the new HP Victus for 2022. So the HP Victus was introduced by HP in 2021. So and then today we have a refresh model, which is the 2022 model. So before we unbox it, so let's quickly run through the spec. So the one I have here is the base model. So it has the 12th generation Intel Core i5-12450H processor and 512 gig of SSD, 8 gig of DDR4 RAM, so it's not DDR5, and then it's a 15.6 inch IPS LED display with a 250 nits, and also it's a 144 Hz panel, and then it comes with the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650. So like I said, it's the base model, so it comes with the 1650 GTX and not the RTX. So that's it. Let's quickly open it and then see what they have for us on the inside for 2022. Okay, so we have the laptop there, and then we have some important product information, and then we have other HP Worldwide Limited warranty, any other thing in the box. Okay, the charging brick, I think that's all. Okay, so because it's a GTX 1650, what we have is 150 watt power brick. So now let's go to the laptop. Okay, this way. Oh wow. I don't know if you have seen the Victus before. So it has this was designed and engineered by HP, designed and engineered by HP, and then you have this Victus right up, and you have okay, I think there is something there too. Okay, I think that I can remove from inside. Okay. So if you have seen the Victus before, I think everything is the same, so there's no any design change. So I think the change will only come from the internals. So it has stickers everywhere, even the 144S stickers here, and the GTX sticker and the Core i5 sticker. And then we have another right up here, Omen Gaming Hub to customize your play. Big PC gaming, you know. Big PC gaming with 12th generation Intel Core processor and Nvidia graphics. So like I said, the design is the same with the last year model, so there is no any significant change. So let's quickly check the port out. On the left you have the charging port, and then you have a USB-A port, and then you have a 3.5mm audio jack, and you have the full SD card reader. And at the front you have nothing, and then at the side you have a USB Type-C port, which I also presume that is going to also double as a Thunderbolt 4 port, because it's running the Intel 12th generation. And then you have the Ethernet port, and you have another USB-A port, so making it only 2 USB-A port, and then you have the full HDMI port. And at the back you absolutely have nothing but I've never seen this type of air vent before. So the air vent kind of enter inside. So guys, that's it about the Victus. So thank you for watching, and then stay tuned as I'll be doing a full review of the laptop in the next video. Bye.